Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm on the old-fashioned Roblox. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get onto the old-fashioned Roblox. So wait a second, I'm going to need to change my stuff. Real quick, you got me going, say go. Okay, so first you need to go onto your homepage. Then click on Internet Explorer. So, I did it wrong. So this is what you have to copy. You have to download Roblox Player, and then wait until you have something that's on. First you need to go into Internet Explorer. I'm gonna cross that out. First, click on Roblox Player if you have it. And if you don't, you're gonna have to download it. And then you're gonna have to add a new tab. Then you're gonna have to cross with the other tab. Or at least wait until this tab loads. Okay. So once this tab loads, then this is all my stuff. So see if you have the old Roblox on your thing right here, then it says Roblox, like the old Roblox symbol. Then it says open an app. Click open the app, and then it's gonna open the app. And then you're gonna have to log in, but I already logged in. And then you're in. So yeah, I'm going to also show you how to like to get if you have no friends. I'm gonna show you how to get friends. So first, you go to games as thing. But first, you're gonna have to dress up your avatar. But if you want to look like a noob and your account looks like a noob, then I will show you how to do it. So I'm gonna go to my avatar and dress up like a noob so I can show you exactly how to make friends on Robloxian high school. So first, let me dress up as a noob. Okay, now I need to get the bacon hair. Then I need to delete my hat. And then go to packages and get the man body. But I need to go to head. Well, first I need to change my body face. No, I mean body face. Okay, so I'm gonna go for the smiling face. Then for the hair, cross out that hair and then just add the tail. And clothing. Shirts. Just go like a normal basic shirt. I'm gonna go for one that doesn't cost this. And the reason why I have a girl shirt is because that's my sister's. I let her get Robux, so by buying it. Okay, then let's just say after you're done dressing, you will need to go on any sort of game that's kind of like a role play thing. So what I'm going on is Robloxian High School. So I'm going to search it right now. Oh, I need to cross this out. But if you don't want it slowing everything down, you should cross it out. So, it's right here, guys. See, it's different to the normal thing, but Since my computer is a little bit slow and it can't run things that well, I have to go to servers and at least find one that's like basically like 20, or at least you're at 29 or like 25, whatever. 28, 26 right here. Find one that has good people in it. Okay, so after you're done joining the game, you gotta find someone that you want to be friends with. See, my Roblox isn't working that well. Load. See, while I'm recording it, it might be to you, but this is not what I look like. So you're gonna need to go like to like freshman or anything. What, you can pick whatever. I need to change. So let me just. It's gonna be super glitchy to you guys, and I'm sorry for that because my computer doesn't go well with stuff like this. So let me just try to hide. Okay, now that I have hidden, you're gonna need to cross the stuff out. Then you're gonna need to go to your avatar. Well, avatar. Then you're just gonna want to reset your avatar clothing or something. You can get ticks, 5 coins. How do you get ticks? So yeah. Then you're gonna want to switch your avatar back. Just so you're new. Oh, wait 1 second. I need to glitch out of this place. So now that I'm a noob, let me go find someone. See, if you want to be friends with someone, why isn't my thing turning? Oh. Well, first, I would find someone. First, at least find someone. Okay, so let me go over to here and say, you sent a message, would you like to read it? Wait 1 second, somebody has sent me a message. Okay, message from. How do you send messages? So the game has to fully load. So, like, I'm gonna pause this video until I can see the message. So, guys, all that the message said was, ha ha ha, you're a noob. So, some people like to call people that. So, you're gonna have to go to the school thing, as always. So, go to the school thing, find a cool friend or something, then walk up to them and say hi. Shook him. I'm gonna say hello. I'm gonna hit. Then I'm gonna ask him if he wants to be friends. Do you want to be? I'm gonna ask him if he wants to be friends. See, that is how. Okay, guys, that is how you get friends when you're a noob on Roblox. You most have a better chance on the old-fashioned Roblox So that's how you get friends. So peace. Like, comment, turn on bell notifications, and subscribe. Then I'll give you 10,000 on Jailbreak if you find me on a game. So yeah, peace out. Hope you liked this video if you enjoyed. So yeah, peace out.